So the function that I'm doing is for hours studying for success. Got the data that I'm using for it just based off of a study. And that's saying that the average hours necessary for success is going to be the hours that you are required to be in class per week, and multiply that by 2.5. So you have the function here, hours studying for success. You have two parameters. You have the course hours per week that you input, and then you put in the hours that you are actually spending studying as of now per week. And then down here you have the hours required, your course hours times 2.5. And I'm calling it the hours lacking. So the hours required that you should be studying, and you subtract the hours that you're actually putting in, and the output is going to be how short you are in hours. So I have three print functions down here. You should be studying this many hours per week, and then you need to add this many hours of study time for success. And then I just have a quote that I put in for fun here. So going over, I import the study hours, and then down here, simulate study hours required, study hours, and hours studying for success. Two parameters, so we'll say 2 hours for the week, and you're spending 3 hours as of now. So we input that, save it, and then down here, we're going to run it. You should be studying 5 hours a week. You need to add 2 hours of study time for success, and then you must own everything in your world. There is no one else to blame. Jocko Willink. And that is my function.